Yes, I made them. Today we will make spaghetti with mice. Yes, spaghetti, minced meat, onions, oil, and tomato paste. First, let's put water in a pot. Wait until the water boils. After the water boils, add spaghetti into the pot. Now we add a lot of oil into the frying pan. Chop the onions into small pieces. Add them to the frying pan. Stir until onions are soft. Add the tomato paste to the pan. Keep mixing. Add the minced meat and mix. Add the salt and mix. After the drying spaghetti, on a plate minced meat. Bon appetit! If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye!